Hi, I'm Turpin Jr. I want to tell you a little story. A little over a year ago, General Motors chose to cancel our franchise after almost 60 years. And the scary part is, with all those losses, myself and my family almost lost everything. We almost became a credit customer. And I'll tell you something, I wouldn't have walked into a trailer afterwards if I needed a car. I would have been embarrassed. I also would have been embarrassed to walk into a dealership. Everybody knows who I am in the city. Any dealership would have known me. For Turpin doesn't have credit, what happened? Well, you go into a sad story about losing the franchise and losing buildings. So with all the years of experience that we had in the automotive industry, we still didn't get it when it came to automotive financing. It took us almost losing everything, selling our properties, moving to a new location, and looking at the business from a different set of eyes. That opened our eyes. You know, we get it. We get the difference. People out there that have almost lost everything, that were self-employed, maybe it was health related and they had to choose which bills to take care of, or the breadwinner couldn't bring home the bacon and take care of the family and the credit went sideways. Or what happened to the person who lost his business through no fault of his own? What happened to those people? Where did they go to get taken care of for credit and be able to be proud? The traditional sales model is customer comes on the lot, you look at the car, salesperson test drives, get all excited, and they sell you the car. What happens if you're that credit customer and you walk on a lot and you're dying to tell somebody, I need help, but you're a little ashamed, a little shy to come out right up and say it. You're looking forward for that sales rep to ask you in a proper way, not are you bankrupt, but more the lines of, do you need some special assistance with your financing? Do you need something a little different? What we're doing here is we are reinventing the traditional sales model. You look outside and you see guaranteed approvals, we'll get you bought, don't worry about it, we'll take care of everything. What they don't tell you is all the fine print, because there's too much fine print put in the ads. If you look at them, it's, well, you need to have X amount down, you want $5,000 down, you got to divorce your wife and find a new one that's making more money, or get a better job, or lose this job, or go find a job. And it makes it that, yes, there's guaranteed approvals, but you'll never end up picking up the car. The empty promises has never been any way that Turpin has done business. Not in the past, not in the future. That's why we didn't go with the guaranteed approvals and the screaming loud. Turpin is going to make some guarantees. We guarantee you're going to be treated like a person, like a human being. We guarantee the ethics of our staff. We guarantee that your personal information is going to be exactly that, personal. At Turpin, it's really simple. We're here to help you with your credit. You see lots of advertisements for know your credit score. It's great to know the score, but do you know what it means? Do you know what gave you a bad score? Do you really know how to rebuild your credit? It's one thing to have it fixed. It's another thing to make sure it doesn't go back again. We're going to review your credit score and your credit bureau information with you. That way you understand why you're there, what we need to do together to get you out of there, get you on the road and happy. In the marketplace, you hear a lot of get approved before you shop. We want to explain why that's not good for you or your credit. A lot of those places, you fill in your information, you give your social insurance number over the internet, then what happens is they shotgun it to all the banks. They can turn around and say, we tried all the banks and we got you the best rate. The problem is, that hurts your credit. Every one that they go after the bank, they then check your credit, each and every one of them. We're going to do things differently. You're going to fill out a capital loan request. With that request, there's only one requirement, your honesty. Fill it out to the best of your ability, fully honest. One of our capital loan financial experts is going to take a look at that request. It's going to evaluate which bank is the best and best suited for you to get you on the road with what you need. A lot of people with good credit, their first instinct is to go straight to their bank and get approved and go for a car loan. But just because it's your bank, are you guaranteed that that's going to be the best rate out there for you? So if you're not on our website, go to capitalloanfinancial.ca. You'll learn all the information you need to. You'll also see more information about our Capital Loan Credit Information Week and seminars that we're going to be holding in high schools and schools all across the city to help make sure that the young people coming out of school come out with the right information on how to protect their credit.